నమస్తే, నేను రోజా. వెల్కమ్ టు ఎన్టీవీ. ఇండియాలో చాలా మంది గొప్ప గొప్ప సింగర్స్ ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ వాళ్ళలో చాలా కొద్ది మందికి వాయిస్కి మాత్రమే ఒక స్పెషల్ ఐడెంటిటీ ఉంటుంది. వాళ్ళలో ఉదిత్ నారాయణ్, జేసుదాస్ వంటి వాళ్ళ పేర్లు చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు అదే కోవలోకి మరొక గాయకుడి పేరు చేరింది. వారే కైలాష్ ఖేర్. కైలాష్ ఖేర్ ప్రస్తుతం ఎన్టీవీ స్టూడియోలో ఉన్నారు. ఆయనతో మాట్లాడదాం. నమస్తే కైలాష్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? కనిపిస్తోంది, ఆ హుషార్, ఆ జోష్ కనబడతా ఉంది. కొంచెం కొంచెం తెలుగు నేర్చుకున్నారు కైలాష్ గారు?
లిటిల్ బిట్. ఏమండి, బాగున్నారా?
బాగున్నాము.
అన్నం తిన్నారా?
తిన్నాము.
ఓకే, నా పాటలు విన్నారా?
విన్నాము, వింటూ ఉన్నాము.
That's all for today.
That's more than enough. Wow. Great. So, Telugu, Hindi and Bengali, Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, whatnot. You have covered 20 languages. So, which language you feel more comfort when you are singing?
See, Hindi first. After Hindi, in all South Indian languages, Telugu. After Hindi, which is more easy for me in singing, because now I have sung few songs and I have become little comfortable with it. Secondly, I sang Jejamma song in the beginning of my career with Shri Koti sir, and it was a big hit. Song was also a hit, and I was loved by all the Telugu, movie people and Telugu music people. So they gave me so much blessings, and after that so many Telugu songs came and became big hit, as big as Hindi songs. Like I got a Filmfare award for one Hindi film song where I sang only one word. I am going to sing that also here.
Okay.
So for that word only I got a Filmfare award. But then another Filmfare award I got for Telugu song, for Mirchi
Yes,
movie.
we know. Pandagala
Digi Vachao, yes.
So you celebrated for that.
Yes.
You know, Pandaga is celebration.
Okay.
It's festival.
Wow. I didn't even know the meaning, but I put the energy, feeling the vibration of the lyrics, and I get into the flow of it. So the first one which I sang in Fana movie, one word, for which I got Filmfare by the grace of God. That too when I began in music, after 3-4 years only this happened, and that was Subhanallah, 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 Subhanallah.
Great. No words. Thank you.
And then I sang the Telugu. My first song was Jejamma Mayamma, Jejamma Mayamma.
You have got such a typical voice. You have got such a great voice. So how did it happen?
Yeah. The voice, Roja, I think it's God gifts, and the feelings, all is your real work actually. How you live your life, what kind of human you are, which way you can understand humans' emotions, so that you can emote same way. Maybe that is what it matters a lot. Whether it is a fun song, then the energy should be fun. If it is a sad song, the energy should be, it should connect with, mass. It should connect with many number of people, that yes, whatever he is singing, it's my feeling.
You don't know the language, you don't know the meaning of lyrics, even though.
Yeah. Roja, sometimes we have to understand the life in itself. Recently, I sang this Telugu song from the movie Nirmala Convent, which we are, here for.
Yeah, I know.
So when the music composer Roshan Salor, he came to our studio Mumbai, and he just taught me once, and I got the gist, I got the crux, I got the entire vibration of the song. So I didn't even ask him till date, I didn't even ask him what does it mean. Without knowing, whatever best I could absorb, I could emote.
Okay.
And when music composer says, yes, yes, yeah, that's nice, it means you are on the right track.
So Roshan, what do you say about Roshan for debut?
You know, there are perceptions about newcomers in our industry. We always look little bit, you know, upper senses we count, like, okay, he's debuting, he's new. But if you see the background of some people, they are not new. They come with so much, you know, training and experiences. Only thing is, they are displaying their individual work for the first time. That is why it looks like they are debuting. No, they are much more than many, you know, experienced people. And that's what the case is in Roshan Salor's case. Real musician come from that kind of, you know, background. In him also I saw the same talent. Very clean composition, very nicely put lyrics. Lyrics are also beautifully written. The highlight of these lyrics are also Ananta Shriram and Chandra Bose. They together have written the one song,
Oh,
which is a rare thing. I think it's the first time.
first time.
ముందు నుయ్యా వెనక గుయ్యా బీడి బీడికెంత కష్టమయ్యా.
And tell me about your past life.
So I am from Delhi, and I didn't know till the age of 30, I didn't know what I am going to do in my life. So I have been doing so many odd jobs to survive without any, you know, motto of life, like what to do, what not to do. So one fine day I decided that the kind of lyrics I write, the kind of composition I do, and the kind of music I believe in, let me just give it a try now, seriously. So I came to Mumbai, and since then I tried, in 2002 I came, I tried to make an album, but initially, you know, it was tough for me. I remember the first recording, first commercial recording of mine. So they called me in famous studio, La Music Studio. I went there. The first time I am facing the mic and seeing film of Aishwarya Roy. So I am little nervous that, oh my God, they haven't taught me anything, and they asked me, okay, so this is a film. This was like 40-second film. This is the film, just sing something. So I was like, you know, kind of frozen there only. And then I thought that, man, I heard they teach quite a lot, they make you rehearse, and then they ask you to sing. But here it is going all ulta. Different. But anyway, so I just took my, you know, Shiv ka naam and Mata Pita ka naam, and I sang tanadum tanum tanana tanaderana tanadum tanum tanana tanaderana tanadum tanum tananum tanaderana radum tananum tananum. So, and it was just one take, not even second take.
You've got selected.
After voice level, this was a one take. So, you know, people sitting inside the control room, they didn't show me any expression. So I thought, no man, it's not working, and I think I'm out. So, and secondly, they asked me, okay, come out. So I thought, okay, now I am failed. So, but anyway, I had habit of getting rejections and dejections. So that way I wasn't surprised. I thought, okay, one more failures, it's okay. I came out. So those people who didn't show me any expression, they came out, and then they showed me little bit of expression. Wow, man, brother, where are you from? Dude, what? Man, what's your name? So many different expressions, different excitement, and I thought, no, God, still this is illusion, no, this is dream, no, 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 please wake me, wake me, wake me. So you know that it was like first experience, and since then so many recordings I did, more than 1,000 jingles by now I have sung.
Kailash garu, you have not learned music, right? You are not a trained singer also. But ఎవరు ఇన్స్పైర్ చేశారు మిమ్మల్ని? ఎవరి ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ ఉంది మీ మీద?
In my childhood, I listened so many classical singers like Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Pandit Kumar Gandharv, Pandit Hridaynath Mangeshkar, and Pandit D.V. Paluskar. So these big names, you know, their cassettes I used to listen to a lot. So because of listening, there are certain kind of not only singing nuances I observed, but I observed the way people emote certain words, hearing, listening so much that I observed and I absorbed. Both I did and maybe imbibed through that. Then later part I heard many of ghazal singer like Mehdi Hasan Sahab, Ghulam Ali Khan Sahab. Then there was a Qawwali singer नुसरत फ़तेह अली खान साहब, जिनकी गायकी से और एक आइडिया मिला कि क्लासिकल एंड फोक को आप मिक्स करके उसको भी बहुत अच्छे से इमोट कर सकते हैं.
So which is your favorite song sung by you in Telugu?
In Telugu, see, one Jejamma, first song, that is very close to my heart. And then the song I got Filmfare for, పందగలా దిగి వచ్చావు ప్రాణాలకు వెలిగిచ్చావు రక్తాంచే ఎరుపెక్కించావు.
ఇన్ని సాంగ్స్ పాడాం కదా, ఎందుకో నాకు గోపాల గోపాలని వదిలిపెట్టద్దు అనిపిస్తోంది. సో గోపాల గోపాల సాంగ్ ఎందుకో?
जी, ఎందుకో की एक कहानी है रोजा कि ये ओ माय गॉड नाम की फिल्म हिंदी में बनी थी, अक्षय कुमार उसमें थे, उसमें भी मेरा ये गाना था और उसमें था कि मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में, बिकता हूँ मैं तो इन दुकानों में. और सो इट वाज उस वक्त काफ़ी न्यूज़पेपर्स में, चैनल्स में ये शोर मचाया था कि कैलाश इज वॉइस ऑफ गॉड, क्योंकि उसमें भगवान का वॉइस बना के दिखाया था ये. सो उसी का जब तेलुगु मेकिंग हुआ तो तब भी मुझे पता नहीं था ये ऐसा सब चक्कर है. ये जब फिल्म आ गई, गाना हिट हो गया यहाँ भी, तो पता लगा कि ये गोपाला गोपाला इज रीमेक ऑफ तेलुगु, मेक ऑफ तेलुगु अडेप्टेशन ऑफ ओ माय गॉड जी. तो इसका मुझे सिर्फ 2 लाइन याद हैं, लेकिन ट्यून मुझे थोड़ी थोड़ी याद. ఎందుకో ఎందుకో
బాహుబలి.
wow,
హిందీ.
Bahubali, yes. So for Bahubali also we were so like privileged and you know honored that M.M. Kiravani sir called me to Prasad studio where I recorded with Koti sir, you know, very first song, same studio, and there I sang this Shiv Tandav Stotram and 2 more songs. In fact, Tamil version also I sang for that. So this is that song. कौन है वो कहाँ से वो आया, चारों दिशाओं में तेज सा वो छाया, उसकी भुजाएं बदलें कथाएं, भागीरथी तेरी तरफ शिव जी चले, देख जरा ये विचित्र माया.
సాంగ్స్ నుంచి కాస్త పక్కకు వచ్చి ఆల్బమ్స్ గురించి విల్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ఆల్బమ్స్. యువర్ ఫస్ట్ ఆల్బమ్ ఇస్ తేరీ దివానీ.
Yes, it was Kailasa, where Teri Diwani was the first song of Kailasa album, and then Tauba Tauba. उसके पीछे एक ट्रिविया है, जहाँ मैं आज बैठा हूँ हैदराबाद में ही हम लोगों ने वो दोनों वीडियो शूट किए हैं. तेरी दीवानी गोलकुंडा फोर्ट पे, चार मीनार पे, और यहाँ के कुछ लोकल जगहों पे हमने वो किया था तेरी दीवानी. तेरे नाम से जी लूं, तेरे नाम से मर जाऊं, तेरी जान के सदके में कुछ ऐसा कर जाऊं.
So with your permission, I'm going to ask you one personal question about you.
Please.
Was it true Kailash ever attempted suicide?
You know, there was a phase in my life, yes, definitely. I was so depressed. It was kind of rock bottom. So I thought that let me, you know, I'm not any use to this world. So I was attempting to, kill myself, but then somehow some miracle happened and I am here today.
My God.
as Kailash Kher.
Thank God.
Maybe, world wanted me and singing in so many songs. That's why.
So tell me about your family.
I have one son, 6-year-old, Kabir, his name is, and I have my wife, I have my sister, my brother. My parents are no more. Now they are with God. So that's all.
కైలాష్ జీ స్వచ్ఛ భారత్ అభియాన్కి బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ మీరు. సో అలా అనిపించింది, ఆ ఫీలింగ్ ఎలా ఉంది?
It's wonderful feelings, Roja. The most privileged and honored thing for me is मैं अभी 42 years का हूँ. मैंने अपने जीवन में ख्वाबों में भी ये सोचा नहीं था कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर मुझे बुलाएंगे नाम लेकर. नाम भी सिर्फ नाम लेकर नहीं, नाम के साथ थोड़े से एडजेक्शंस लगाना, और वो भी तारीफ के. उन्होंने जब हमारा नाम लिया था बनारस में, दैट एक ऐसे नौजवान गायक हैं जिनकी गायकी ने गायकी को एक नया रूप दिया है. So that was a big word, and big respect for me.
కైలాష్ గారు, నాకు ఇష్టమైన సాంగ్ ఓకే,
That
నువ్వా నేనా మూవీ, శర్వానంద్స్ మూవీ నువ్వా నేనా. హ్యావ్ యూ రిమెంబర్డ్ దట్?
I don't remember the name of the movie, but
It's about-
definitely if you will tell me the song, maybe I'll remember that.
వయ్యారి బ్లాక్బెర్రీ ఫోర్ట్.
तररररर सर्रा ओ मेरा दिल लुट गई, सर्रा ओ मेरा दिल लुट गई.
So Kailash ji, we'll wind up our program with one Sufi song.
Recently we released this album called Ishq Anokha. So one line I will sing from that. तेरे बिन मैं तेरे बिन, जैसे देह बिन प्राण हैरी गोरा, हथेली पे रख लाया जान हैरी गोरा, हथेली पे रख लाया जान. इसमें नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी वीडियो पे हैं और ये काफ़ी लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है. और दूसरे जो वेरी वेल नोन सूफी सॉन्ग है मेरा, समझ लीजिए सूफी थॉट्स का है वो भी. पहला सॉन्ग मेरा फिल्म का. टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया, हो लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया.
Finally, Nirmala Convent, working with the team of Salu, Roshan.
Yeah, Roshan Salo and the team was so beautiful. They made me so easy, It wasn't that I felt pressurized or anything. They made me so comfortable and it was smooth going recording. We recorded the song very nicely, and today I saw the making of the song and they edited it so beautifully that I laughed because they in between they added, so let's do the second line now, and immediately second line comes although it wasn't that smoothly flowing there.
Okay.
But they edited it nicely in the making. So it was a great experience and the team is wonderful. Also when I came to know that lyricists are these and producers are none other than Nagarjun sir, so I felt like wow man, already legends are involved in this movie. And Shrikant is the Roshan is the name,
Hero's name.
the hero's name
And
also.
music director's name
Yeah.
also Roshan.
Yeah, so Roshan means enlightened.
Yes.
Music is already making big news, everyone is loving, and movie is going to be hit. Yes.
Yes.
So my best wishes and prayers.
Oh, from my side also, from NTV also, we are wishing them all the very best, and thank you so much
Thank you.
for spending your valuable time.